To make this cardigan, you're going to make 2 scarves. And then you'll fold them in half and sew up the back seam, but don't sew all the way up. Leave this little space here. And then sew the side seams. So I'm going to get started and show you how to do this pattern. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and work my foundation chain. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. And work 1 double crochet in every one of the stitches across the row. That all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. And that would be this first row. So now I'm going to make the first row of this grid. For the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And that is going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, working 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And that is this section. So now I'm going to work this next row. For the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Now we're going to be working directly in these double crochet stitches. This takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1. Skip that stitch, double crochet in the double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Like that. And I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And now I'm going to repeat a row of double crochet and then 2 rows of grid. So for the next row of the double crochet stitches, chain 2 and turn. Now I'm going to double crochet in every stitch across the row. So that's 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space and 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the double crochet. And we're going to repeat that all the way across the row. like that. So double crochet all the way across the row, and then repeat the 2 rows of grid. So you're just going to repeat those 3 rows over and over until your long rectangle, which is similar to a scarf, is 1/2 of your body across the front. And there's how that looks. A row of double crochet, 2 grids, double crochet. So you have a double crochet, 2 grids, double crochet, and then you're just going to continue to repeat that. These 2 grids, the double crochet, 2 grids, double crochet, and you're going to do this for as many times as specified on the pattern. And when you're finished making your 2 sections, this is what you'll have. You'll have 2 long scarves, and you're going to fold those over, and that will be the shoulders. And then you'll sew up the back seam, sew up the 2 side seams, and your sweater will be finished. And to sew your back seam, you'll just bring the 2 sides together, a couple of extra stitches here to make sure that it's good and sturdy. And then you match the stitches, so I'm just holding them so that my stitches are all together like that. And I'm going to go underneath both of the loops, and I'm going to sew the back seam, going through each stitch. Like that, and you'll have a pretty much invisible seam. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make this style of relaxed cardigan sweater.